or wondered if God really hears you? Today, I want to read a verse that brings hope and encouragement for moments like that. Hang on a second. Matthew 7:7. Ask, and it shall be given you. Seek, and ye shall find. Knock, and it shall be opened unto you. For everyone that asketh receiveth, and he that seeketh findeth, and to him that knocketh it shall be opened. Or what man is there of you, whom if his son ask bread, will he give him a stone? Or if he ask a fish, will he give him a serpent? If ye then, being evil, know how to give good gifts unto your children, how much more shall your Father which is in heaven give good things to them that ask him? Therefore, all things whatsoever ye would that men should do to you, do ye even so to them. For this is the law and the prophets. Enter ye in at the strait gate, for wide is the gate, and broad is the way that leadeth to destruction, and many there be which go in threat. Because strait is the gate, and narrow is the way which leadeth unto life, and few there be that'll find it. So that verse is powerful. It's very simple. God wants us to come to him. Not once, not sometimes, but persistently. Asking, seeking, knocking. It's like a conversation, a relationship. Think about it. A child asks his parents for something good, and the parent gives it. God, who loves you more than any parent, invites you to ask him. Maybe you're asking for guidance, peace, or breakthrough. Maybe you're seeking understanding or hope. And maybe you've been knocking, showing up in faith, and feel like nothing is happening. Well, God is listening, and he is faithful. The verse reminds us persistence matters. Don't give up. Keep asking. Keep seeking. Keep knocking. Because God gives good gifts to those who trust him. So today, ask boldly, seek patiently, and knock faithfully. And as you do, just watch for the way God answers. Sometimes ways you didn't expect. Remember, ask, seek, knock. The promise is real. God is with you, and he will respond. Thank you for spending this time with me, reflecting. I'd love to hear what I'd like to hear what God is prompting you to ask for today.